Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn prepositions in German. So prepositions are used as a union between noun, verb or adjective with another noun, verb, adjective or adverb. Next point, the use of one preposition determines the case used for nouns, articles, adjectives and pronouns. Now let us understand declension. Declension is the way a word's ending changes to reflect its function in a sentence. Declensions are just single letters R, E, S, N, and M added to the ends of a certain group of words that come in front of the nouns. So the meaning of declension is to change the ending of some words that come in front of nouns. Words that need declensions: determiners, a, the, some, few, this, that, etc. And adjectives: small, big, round. We add some letters, some extra letters at the end of these determiners and adjectives. There are four cases: prepositions with accusative, accusatives, prepositions with dative, यानी कि dative, and prepositions with genitives, and prepositions with accusatives and datives. Two-way prepositions. So there are four kinds of cases. So in this video we will learn the prepositions with accusatives. So this is the list of prepositions with accusatives: für, for, around, durch, through, gegen, against, entlang, along, bis, until, ohne, without, and wieder, against. And this is the trick to remember all these. Just take the first letter of each word. For example, from few we have taken F, and in the same way from all words, so we have made here one word, fuzz bow. And what is fuzz bow? Fuzz is a sweet and bow, this is a bow. So you can remember this fuzz bow for remembering all these words. Let us see some examples here. First, just take few, and let us revise also the pronouns with accusatives. For ish we use mish, for do dish, air for in, and z and z for z, s for s, and uns for wear, and euch for ear. Some sentences are here. Ist as für mich? Is it for me? Ja, es ist für dich. Yes, it is for you. Sind die Blumen für uns? Are the flowers for us? Die Blumen sind nicht für euch. The flowers are not for you. Die Notiz ist für ihn. The notice is for him. Die Einladung ist für sie. The invitation is for her. Die Arbeit ist neu für sie. The work is new for them. Now see here the articles with accusative prepositions. Their changes to then, ein changes to einen, mein changes to meinen, and kein changes to keinen. Keinen is a negative article. First one is here, für den Vater, for the father. We have changed here there to den because it is masculine noun. Für das Auto, for the car, because it is neuter noun. And für die Mutter, for the mother, it is feminine noun. And one thing you must remember, für plus das equal to fürs. So sometimes you can see fürs also. Das ist für einen Hund. This is for a dog. Für einen. So we have used here einen because it is accusative. Der Stuhl ist für ein Restaurant. The chair is for a restaurant because it is a neuter noun. So we have used only ein. Es ist Zeit für eine Reparatur. It is time for a repair. So we have used here eine because it is a feminine noun. And April is tall für eine Hochzeit. April is good for a wedding. So Hochzeit is feminine noun. So we have used here eine. Let us see some more examples here. Das Hemd ist für den Sommer. The shirt is for the summer. Das Kleid ist für das Mädchen. We can use here fürs also. The dress is for the girl because it is a neuter noun. Die Tomate ist für die Suppe. The tomato is for the soup. Die Spielzeuge sind für die Kinder because it is plural noun. So the toys are for the children. Now with possessive, das Hemd ist für meinen Mann. The shirt is for my husband. Meinen. Das Ei ist für mein Mittagessen. The egg is for my lunch. No change. And Sport ist gut für deine Gesundheit. Sport is good for your health. And es ist eine Karte für unsere Kinder. It is a map for our children. It is plural noun. Sie arbeitet für ein Unternehmen in Berlin. She works for a company in Berlin. Now let us understand ohne. Ohne means without. Welt ohne Krieg. A world without war. Here no article, only pronouns. Es ist ein Glas ohne Wasser. It is a glass without water. Ich bin nicht ohne dish. I am nothing without you. Nicht means nothing. It is not nicht only. It is nicht plus s. Nicht. Was bin ich ohne dich? What am I without you? Now gegen. Gegen means against. Ich bin nicht gegen dich. I am not against you. Ich bin gegen ihn. I am against him. And er ist immer gegen mich. He is always against me. Now with article, definite article. Wir sind gegen den Krieg. We are against the war. Krieg means war. Das ist gegen das Gesetz. Gesetz means law. So that is against the law. Das ist ein Kampf gegen die Krankheit. So this is a battle against the disease. Now bis means until. Let's see some sentences. Bis wann seid ihr weg? Until when are you away? Sie ist bis heute dort. She is there until today. Die Saison ist von Februar bis März. The season is from February to March. Der Zeitraum ist von Juni bis August. The time period is from June to August. Some phrases here. Bis bald, see you soon. Bis dann, see you then. Bis in 3 Tagen, see you in 3 days. Bis jetzt nicht, not yet. And von Kopf bis Fuß, from head to toe. Now see means around, about and at. Der Zaun den Park ist alt. Den Park. Den Park means around the park. Den Park. The fence around the park is old. Der Zaun den Garten ist schön. The fence around the garden is beautiful. Das Restaurant ist die Ecke. The restaurant is around the corner. Is used with time also. Mein Flug ist 6. My flight is at 6. Is used for about also. For example, es ist schade den Verlust. It is a pity about the loss. And ein Streit etwas. An argument about something. Etwas means something. Now durch means through or by. Some sentences here. Atmete durch den Mund. He is breathing through his mouth. Sie geht durch die Stadt. She goes through the city. Läuft durch das Haus. He is running through the house. And wir gehen durch die Zimmer. We are going through the rooms. Some phrases here. Durch Zufall. By chance. Die ganze Nacht durch. Throughout the night. Dus die ganze Stadt throughout the city. Next one is here wieder. Wieder means against. Here are some phrases. Wieder willen. Against my, his, your wish. Wieder alles erwarten. Against all expectations. And wieder das Gesetz. Against the law. The next one is entlang. Entlang means along. So remember here entlang always follows the object. Means it comes at the last. For example, die Straße entlang, down the street. Then Fluss entlang, along the river. And here is one sentence. Gehen Sie diesen Weg entlang. Go down this way. Sie fährt die Straße entlang. She drives down the street. So it comes at the end. At last, let us see it again. Few plus thus equal to fews. And those plus thus, that is equal to those. And plus thus, that is equal to ums. So these are the short form of few plus thus, those plus thus, and plus thus. So that is all for this video. So we will learn a dative case in next video. So till then, choose.